pretty noisy in here, but watch this.
Today, I'm going to show you how to do that in a couple clicks.
Hey guys, Justin here, back with another video. I've spent years and years in the edit room working with audio, and let me tell you, it's one of the most important things in production. So today, I'm gonna walk you through some of my favorite tips and tricks. All right, we're talking about enhanced speech from Adobe. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, first step, let's listen to this audio.
You have given me unlimited support every step of the way.
All right, it sounds good, but not great. So what we'll do is we'll export this snippet, file export. We'll do is our wave preset here, and then we'll just rename this to test. Then what we'll do is we'll go over to podcast.adobe, and then we will do our enhanced speech right here. And then we'll choose the file. It'll start loading here. Takes a minute. Once that's loaded, click on it, hit play.
You have given me unlimited support every step of the way.
That sounds much better. So you'll be able to adjust the strength. I like to be within 70 and 80, just because if you go too high, then it sounds a little bit too robotic. So once you find the strength you like, you hit download, and then it'll do its thing. And then you head over back to Premiere. You can do file import, or you could just double click here. And then once that's imported, drop it right in. Let's listen to the original again.
You have given me unlimited support every step of the way.
And now let's see our enhanced speech one.
You have given me unlimited support every step of the way.
All right, next tip is about leveling. So say you have a clip and you want to level it out so it all sounds the same. Let's dive into that now. Okay, first step. So what we'll do is we'll play that down.
You have given me unlimited support every step of the way. They have sacrificed.
The audio sounds a lot better, but the levels are jumping up and down. So what we could do is we'll go into effects, and then we'll go into dynamics. So we'll drop that in, and then go to edit here under custom setup, and then we'll go right down to limiter. If we set that to -6, let's see what happens.
You have given me unlimited support every step of the way.
So it's not going above -6. So here's another quick one. Whenever I load up Premiere for the first time, this default setting is on, which I hate. So let's take a look at scrubbing. Okay, so as I'm going through the timeline, listen to this. Super annoying. So to turn that off, you go into Premiere Pro, Audio. You're gonna want to turn this setting off. All right, another simple one is denoise. So denoise is a nice one if you quickly want to take noise out of a clip. To do that, let's play this down again.
You have given me unlimited support every step of the way.
So that was our original clip. So we can use denoise to do a quick noise filter. So we'll just grab that and drop that right on the clip here. And then we'll go into edit, and you can either do light noise reduction or heavy. So let's try light.
You have given me unlimited support every step of the way.
Turn it off and let's see how it sounds.
You have given me unlimited support.
And then go back.
Every step of the way.
And just like that, sounds a lot better. Here's one I use a bunch. It's going from your instrumental track to your lyrical track. Let's take a look. Okay, for the instrumental tutorial, let's drop this on a new timeline. Let's find the part of the track where we want to add lyrics. So let's do right around here. And then, so we'll do match frame. We'll copy that time code, and let's take our lyric track, drop it on the preview window, paste our time code, hit enter, throw an in point. When you take my hand. Great. Let's take that and drop it on the sequence here. Make sure we match it up perfectly to where we have our point there. And then let's try to match it up, or it should be matched up now actually. When you take my hand. Just like that. All right guys, so that's my audio tutorial for today. I really liked making this, but I think you'll really like this video that I posted about saving hours in Premiere Pro. Take a look over here. See ya.